Those waiting to see the extremely long-awaited Masters of the Air TV series may finally have a date for the show's premiere. The series, made by the team behind Band of Brothers and the Pacific, including Steven Spielberg and Tom Hanks, is set to hit screens later this year. The series was supposed to be on streaming service Apple TV Plus in mid-spring this year, and prior to that has seen lengthy delays. I was actually on set of some of the filming around 2 years ago, so I know that some of the footage has been shot and has been awaiting release for a long time. Now it seems there is finally a date for that release. According to IMDb, the show will begin on September the 20th this year. However, I would sound a note of caution. It is not known where IMDb got that information, and it could not be verified anywhere else. Apple TV previously tweeted describing the series. The streamer said, "From the team behind Band of Brothers and the Pacific comes Masters of the Air. Austin Butler, Callum Turner and Anthony Boyle lead an all-star cast of American bomber boys in a cinematic thrill of aerial dogfights against the backdrop of World War II Europe." So, are you looking forward to Masters of the Air? Do you think it'll screen on September the 20th? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and most importantly subscribe. And you can also support the channel on Subscribestar via the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.